Hello students, welcome in English class. Today I am going to start second part of this chapter. Okay, with this paragraph with a satisfied expression. He regarded the field of draped in curtain of rain. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. Means farmer Lancho become satisfied and feeling relaxed during raindrops, means during rainy time. He regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers, and he become very happy, and he have seen the condition of his field. Then he have seen everywhere it's covered by the curtain of rain. Suddenly hailstorm had came, unfortunately, because it is very harmful for the ripe crop. Okay, and hailstones began to fall. बर्फ पड़ने लगे उस पकी हुई फसल के ऊपर, and it is the cause of totally damage the crop. These truly did resemble new silver coins. Means ये ऐसा प्रतीत होता था कि जैसे सिल्वर कॉइन्स गिर रहे हैं, चांदी के सिक्के. The boys exposing themselves to the rain ran out to collect the frozen pearls. वहां पे जो लड़के खेल रहे थे वो चिल्ला के भागने लगे और वो सभी खुशी से नाचने लगे. एंड दे आल्सो स्टार्टेड टू कलेक्ट द फ्रोजन पर्ल्स. मीन्स वो जो बर्फ के मोती जैसे टुकड़े गिर रहे थे वो उनको इकट्ठा करने के लिए दौड़ पड़े. ओके, नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ हियर. ओके, इट्स रियली getting bad now, exclaimed the man. I hope to passed quickly. Means then Lancho had said that it's passed quickly. means ये जो hailstone है, हे भगवान जल्दी से बीत जाए. It did not pass quickly. लेकिन वो तेज से नहीं गुजरा. For an hour the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hills, the cornfield, on the whole valley. 1 घंटे तक बर्फबारी हुई वहां पे, खेतों में, बगीचों में और उसके घर पे. The field was white as it covered with salt. Means the field seems like white in color. Means salt's color is also white, and it looks that everywhere covered by salt. वो बर्फ की चादर जो है वो नमक के ढेर की तरफ चारों तरफ से जैसे ढक लिया है हेलस्टोन ने. नॉट ए लीफ रिमेन ऑन द ट्रीज. द ट्रीज आल्सो बिकम बाल्ड. पेड़ों में पत्तियां नहीं रह गईं. द कॉर्न वाज टोटली डिस्ट्रॉयड. और फसल पूरी तरह से नष्ट हो गई. द फ्लावर्स वेयर गॉन फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. लैंचोज सोल वाज फिल्ड विथ सैडनेस. Lancho became very sad when he had seen his crop totally become damaged and destroyed. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field. Hailstorm के बीच जाने के बाद वो जाता है बीच में, अपने खेत के बीचों बीच खड़ा होता है. And said to his sons, और अपने बेटों से कहता है, a plague of locust would also remain something. And Lancho said a plague of locust would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing. This year we will have no corn. Means Lancho was there with very sadness, and he was also saying to his son that अगर टिड्डियों का दल खेत में आया होता तो बहुत कुछ छोड़ देता, लेकिन यहाँ पे हेल स्टॉर्म ने कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा है. इस तूफान में कुछ भी नहीं बचा। दिस ईयर वी विल हैव नो कॉर्न, इस साल हमारे पास कोई फसल नहीं है। दैट नाइट वॉज ए सॉरोफुल वन, वो रात बहुत ही दुखपूर्ण रात थी लैंचो के लिए। ऑल आवर वर्क फॉर नथिंग, वाट एवर वर्क दे हैव डन, दे हैव नो एनी रिप्लाई, नो रिस्पॉन्स, नथिंग, there's no one who can help us. And he said, no one who can help. We will all go hungry this year. And at last he said, they will die by starvation and hungerness that year. Okay, it is the overall of this, and some questions given below. Here you have to write these questions answer as your homework today. Okay, students, you have must to do it. Okay, thanks.